Hey everybody, so I got a quick unboxing to do from Amazon. Not sure what's in the package. I ordered a bunch of stuff. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so this is going to be the unboxing. Let's see what's in here. Excuse me. Ah, okay. Big as it. So, these are the vacuum attachments for the router that's sitting right here. So, this large one right here is for the Plunge base, and this one is for the router DWP 611 or Porter Cable 450 and 451. Is Dog Northern Paul 615. This one is for the Plunge base. This one is DNP 616, Dog Northern Paul 616, for Dewalt DNP 612 or Porter Cable 4514, DMP 612, which is this base right here, DMP 612. So I'm going to unlock the router, take the router off. Try and get it back in its base. Okay. Put the speed collar, the micro adjustment collar back on. Okay. Okay, pop that off. Open this up. Is there only supposed to be one knob? Yeah, it kind of looks like it. So we're going to move this one to the side. Bring the base in. A little plastic washer, a little wing nut. Goes right there. So it does fit. Okay, it's nice and tight. That's what it looks like. Okay. And I believe both of these are 1/4 or 1 1/4. This one, this over here, this one is DNP615. It shows a corded Dewalt router for Dewalt DWP611. From what I looked up, the DCW600, this will fit on the DCW600 as well. Pop that off. Pop this out. This is what it looks like. But yeah, from what I do know, I went and looked in the instruction manual, as well as got opinions on Amazon, asked a couple questions, and a bunch of people said, yeah, they have this exact 20 volt cordless router, and this does fit on it. So DNP615 if you're looking for the dust extractor, or the dust adapter, whatever you'd like to call it. It does lock in. See if this screw will tighten. Feels like it is. This one right here. Looks like it is tightening. It's kind of awkward, to be honest with you. Okay, that one is the majority down, so I'm going to start on this one over here. A little tension on it. Tighten this one down and put a little tension on it. I wouldn't go like He-Man on it, it's just plastic. Okay. It's not moving, it's nice and secure. It would have been nice if they would have allowed it where you can actually take this outer housing off. Which it looks like if you remove this screw you can take the top off, but it's not going to have any bearing on trying to tighten this. It's kind of close quarters, but it does fit. So now no matter which base I put it on, whether it's the compact base or the plunge base, I have a vacuum attachment for both. I got some more items coming for the routers, or the router, so please stick around for those videos. I will shoot them as soon as they get here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. Comments, criticisms down below. What you like, dislike. Let me know what router you have, what setup you have, why you like it. Appreciate you guys' time, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Bye.